Rockford Fosgate P3SD4-10 review. Massive bass from a tiny shallow subwoofer? No way. Ever felt trapped by your weak, bulky subwoofer that hogs all the space but leaves your music flat and lifeless? It's frustrating when your ride lacks that deep, punchy bass, and worse when you have no room to upgrade. You're stuck between crappy sound and a cluttered trunk or cabin, killing your vibe every time you hit play. If your current setup has you overwhelmed, frustrated, and craving more boom but less bulk, you're not alone. And there's a smarter way to free your bass without sacrificing space or style. The struggle gets real when deadlines to install or upgrade your system pile up. Your patience wears thin, and you keep missing that perfect bass drop. Stress mounts as your sound feels weak, your ride's cramped, and every attempt to tweak ends in disappointment or wasted cash. Burnout creeps in when you can't find a subwoofer that fits just right, sounds amazing, and holds up to heavy use. If you've been dreaming of booming bass without battling space issues, it's time to level up your audio game. Meet the Rockford Fosgate P3SD4-10 Punch P3S, the shallow subwoofer designed to deliver mind-blowing bass in tight spaces. This 10-inch, four-ohm dual-voice coil sub pumps out 300 watts RMS, 600 max, rocking your system with clean, deep lows thanks to its anodized aluminum cone and unique spider venting that keeps it cool under pressure. Its slim 3.5-inch mounting depth fits where other subs just can't, perfect for trucks, SUVs, or even marine setups. With vast surround tech expanding cone area by 25% and a stamped cast basket for durability plus less resonance, this subwoofer is your space-saving bass beast. Flexible wiring options mean it adapts to your setup seamlessly. Why are audiophiles, influencers, and experts raving about the P3SD4-10? Industry pros praise its Klippel optimized motor that slashes distortion, delivering clear bass even at high volumes. Tech reviewers love its durable anodized aluminum cone and Santoprene surround combo, engineered for long life and fat, punchy sound. Customer testimonials flood in from truck owners and marine enthusiasts who swear by its tight fit and thunderous output, without the bulk. With dual 4-ohm coils, wiring flexibility is a breeze, making it ideal for custom installs. This subwoofer's design maximizes bass response with a shallow mount that fits virtually anywhere, while keeping your ride looking sleek. Curious? Dive into why the P3SD4-10 isn't just another sub. It's a revolution in compact bass performance. Ready to transform your audio without sacrificing space? The Rockford Fosgate P3SD4-10 Punch P3S is in limited stock and flying off shelves. Don't miss out on this rare chance to upgrade your bass game with a compact powerhouse trusted by thousands of users worldwide. Secure yours today and feel the punch that's reshaping mobile audio. Act now. Your music deserves bass that hits hard, sounds crisp, and fits perfectly. Join the bass revolution and turn every ride into a concert.